Omtang kata kacing persya ne kata kacing snolam yang lejong ki para rurum ki badan angthi po celana garan hakapo mon district handai gadai ga khidmat kemang cuyang nak kapor bantani syasa koran dia ya ga because koran dia ka julit yang gigi pai dulum nak kapor nak kawai kasnam sebai pak kasnam kacing cia ka sautorik jong de praino pra Hamman district Nagaland kacing syak Punjab jong kinong bala kamde syu tangkasin banangkong hari Karachi la bon tedi gicaka hani ka than chtai lamangi ibro kawai Pak Nasim baka sarkar India kelapadan kam kita kinungking adir niki khun khadu jong sarkar India pumi penmadan yang igi pa dulum nakapor sekapor larang ia ki ngipan jing dawa kejongi baper haba kita kikan hon kikan adir jong pada than chtai lamangi bonsen ki kren ya ka history haba ngidan la ka jong ka history hendai bonsen ka sarkar India kaong kini kinong persya ya kariti sensar jong kari India hanai nga kwa bandu kacing kali akong kena khidmat ya ka sarkar India mano bastang bangunra kacing ya Islam bat mano bastang pandang kam da kapor jong ukuli langba ki tang suai jong ka sarkar India kena gadai thik kaput kepada syarandet jong ka sarkar India hakaba itawa bangkong trikam ya ka LP hapo kathan chatila mengi pro koi ka sarkar India kawan ra ada kata CAP itu kapor manta ka kawan ka CA ngakwa banong siliang gakti kapadong kam lagian siliang gakti kapadong kam daw kuri yang ikong kipat dulum hak ni katang than setela mengi hibro kawai ikwa kon kram na kasay na kapos kasing kasi sudan niyan hasatri jang kadeso hapo jingalam jang ba sambal pi jwa kumbo choman bakun persen barin jang kasing ontang ikran ya ki shuba fer kiwa chundon kam jang than tong sethan lam mengi hibro kawai nila jupan so Baya katakan ayat jakor ke aspal dari benbengno cisman nak than setela mengi handai hajakar menyo jubab dia kata kasokar dia akan jubab dau kuli de basim ja jengim jeng gibro ku baloi nakwa ban kan da basare jin srukia baling yang hande nama polisian wat hande ka garibi i ka jongi ia jui nak pasport ki cinto lamba ke social media tambaniwa ya kawai ke poster kendarat wastang cal wastang patlindang kita ki MP baper handai aku abandong mentayap kumbak halai kasangat ki pai dulu ngapo jalan galan ngampadi wairu utawa MP ban ai nak ajeng ujor persyak je kini am proses dan kesokaran dia kani iri kedak kasun kebapun kita dulu jong kecewa than setela mengi ngihapan perkat kei ngihapan yat ni sekman kinongkan ke bawah sekman yang kali kesingalan kamdai bangkut tang mata kaski haringin nam kut nyaya kon nyaya dawa hai tang kawai ka kubur ka basay nga kuya bandang lana kasokaran dia karena pentong kam yakini kisupai kibari kon kadu kinong gingatir jong kasokaran dia nganit bau pagba atau may than sila mengi yung mansay mengaru baging natirang banyak kon persya ya kapor pagkasing tombo jong kasokaran dia lang baki supay kanay kapanisay pagkasokaran dia ngakwa bandong nakabasay kakwa pagpangmadan yung ipadulom hani ka dong stay-tay na mengi ibo kaway namangikran ya kata kita kisun kipaw ikran pagkipatay ya kacimlong jengman jong kasokaran dia kamtam kita babat yola kam sensar di po nang ba dadi harin kejengcia jong kasaltarik menteri kampungan jong kasokaran dia wong kadai tang kajing baka hakawai pat kastirna wong bagita kisupai graf sang persyang bansanye hari kipet ihaban siat arnot na kita kipaklalong kisoprong hagto kasri galong kita jubak ibadang en menta pagbasumari kita ro ang tipo de bugar tegi doktor pada pas nam jungi khasi nang ne gibatai bagam semlapet hari kispai kita suwan bagas sendet tuli napang khaba kunta ngit yo tahu amit sya nang ngit je kini kibalong kisoprung hang to bajan miat Karang gay kabasuk bansut heti bansut pesai nanti nang bade hi krem datat ya kijing sisa pag ngaong kakabasay pag sing krem tong menteri kampoyeng galong tek bawa MSM ya kisipay pa kanang paniyab susu ya kiri rupay ba panuloy nang Nesya Kaman bosok taran dia tapi siap ya kasur jong pay ba dengan tan stela mangi ibro kawai weng cisendon ya kauspa nagi benta paper jama paper jong tan stela mangi menteri kam ya KRP penuh pendam magweng ru buat dia kasih Nyamdan kam siye, nyamdan kam marspa, nyamdan kam dia KRP yang menteri kam haka tan stela mangi ibro kawai lala kecingnya ikuman kecingnya sengaja kekelak joko sekarang dia kepuarkan sampai berkaya akan sabatai bagi samla kecing sat kecing Peter di sapenpai bagi problem bagi kam ya ke sekarang dia kali jupat ba dengan tan stela mangi ibro kawai kentang yawai ngaku abang tadi khidmat ya bro injilong kawai kastur kawai gebut kawai gedor larang idon hakan lalu ke pintaru ini pun sama bangi pun slow berpersnap jika sekarang dia banyo slow jeng dawa jengi keren penduk pendang nok sendan dia kaya antek jekor bertikam mentada pau dari kisnam kentang kawai na kentang na benta diperlok ang pinapo nagawan kaki isu kadang kaki the case to stand with the people of Nagaland. Ay ba kali kasi tendo kasi ngarang matakas ni kanday ka kubor ka basyay sa sakaran dia kanday tangka jing pemram hari ka jing sedang ba ka jing yau teng na nesman ka jing yau tadi jogi pa dulum hagre dong stalam ngi bro kawai
In Assam, we have seen many cases of armed forces misuse of power, the excessive use of power by the armed forces in the whole of Northeast. And sadly to say, this Armed Forces Special Power Act is applicable in Meghalaya also, in spite of the fact that we are not disturbed. If we read across in between the line of the Armed Forces Special Power Act, I would say that it is no difference from the Nuremberg law that Hitler has made before the First World War to exterminate the Jews. Especially Section 3 and Section 4 of the Armed Forces Special Power Act, which says that the governor or the ruler of the Union Territory can declare an area or the whole state as a disturbed if it is, in their opinion, it is so disturbed. Sadly to say, Armed Forces Special Power Act is made to be applied only in Northeast and Jammu and Kashmir. The big question is why it is so. In Northeast, my friend, we are having around 23 districts. In the whole of India, there are 96 districts which are affected by Maoists and Naxalites. You compare the 23 and the 96, but the Indian government, since the inception of the Naxalite movement and the Maoist movement, never dared to declare APSA in those areas. 40% of the landed territory of India is the red corridor, what we call, or the Maoist affected portion of India. No APSA was implemented in those parts of India, in what we from the Northeast would call the mainland India. Is it because of our cultural differences? Is it because of the chinky eyes? Is it because of our height, of our looks, that we are discriminated by the use of bullets? Why APSA was not implemented in spite of the fact that the Maoists and the Naxalites, in one go, they will kill 70 to 80 police and army personnel, which has never occurred in Northeast, in spite of in the height of its militancy and extremism. This is a stepmotherly treatment by the government of India, and it's very sad to say that Amit Shah said when the incident has taken place in Nagaland on the 4th of this month, he said it was a case of mistaken identity. Life were lost, Master Amit Shah. You cannot conclude by saying it's a case of mistaken identity. You are a non-tribal, suppose you come to Meghalaya, by mistake we beat you as a Home Minister, we also might say that it's a case of mistaken identity. You cannot take it lightly by saying, by concluding that it is a case of mistaken identity. We have seen when APSA was very much implemented in Jammu Kashmir, time and again, the Chief Minister of Jammu Kashmir, the ruling party of Jammu Kashmir, all concerns of Jammu Kashmir, they have raised a protest against this Armed Forces Special Power Act because it is a power to kill. In the section of the law, there is no mention that to be declared a disturbed area, a resolution in the assembly need to be passed. They have bypassed that. They simply said in the provisions of the APSA that a governor, if he is sufficient to, if from his point of view, to be declared a disturbed area, it can be declared. But I will tell you, the whole of Northeast is disturbed since we get independence till today. The Indian government has disturbed us by imposing CAA. In the whole of Northeast, in spite of protests from all corners of Northeast, the Indian government has pursued forward to implement this CAA. CAA is another form of aggression. CAA is another form of making us minority in our own land. And they have the Armed Forces Special Power Act to silence us with bullets. It's a two-way, three-way, four-way form of aggression that the Indian government has prepared for us. Should we remain silent as Northeast people? Should we remain silent? Or should we speak out? It is very wrong in a democratic country to implement a law which is as draconian as the APSA. So, from the HONAF, I stand here calling for unity in the whole of Northeast, and I appeal to the NSO that we must not raise the issue of APSA until unless someone dies. But it should be and it must be a continuous movement till Armed Forces Special Power Act is revoked in the entire of India and Northeast India.